Twins. Two individuals sharing the same birth date, sometimes nearly identical in appearance, sometimes sharing only a passing resemblance. Their existence has captivated humanity for centuries. How can two individuals be so similar yet so different? The answer lies in the fascinating science of human development. Every human life begins with a single cell. This cell, the zygote, is formed when a sperm cell fertilizes an egg. This union sets in motion a remarkable cascade of events. The zygote, carrying genetic material from both parents, begins to divide. It multiplies into 2 cells, then 4, then 8, and so on. This process of cellular division and differentiation is the foundation of human development. Identical twins, also known as monozygotic twins, originate from a single zygote. This single fertilized egg, for reasons not fully understood, splits into 2 embryos. These embryos, sharing the same genetic material, develop into 2 individuals. They are remarkably similar in appearance and share the same sex. This splitting event usually occurs within the first days after fertilization. Fraternal twins, also called dizygotic twins, have a different origin story. In this case, 2 separate eggs are released during ovulation. Both eggs are fertilized by 2 different sperm. This leads to the development of 2 zygotes, each with its own unique genetic makeup. Fraternal twins, like any other siblings, share about 50% of their DNA. They can be different sexes and may not resemble each other any more than typical siblings. Section 5. How common are twins? Unveiling the statistics. The birth of twins is a relatively rare event, but just how rare depends on the type of twins we are considering. There are 2 main types of twins, identical and fraternal. Identical twins, also known as monozygotic twins, occur when a single fertilized egg splits into 2 embryos. This type of twinning happens randomly and is not influenced by genetics or other factors. Identical twin births occur at a fairly consistent rate worldwide. This rate is approximately the same across different populations and ethnic groups, making it a fascinating phenomenon of human biology. Approximately 1 in 250 births results in identical twins. This means that for every 250 births, 1 set of identical twins is born, making them quite rare, but not exceedingly so. Fraternal twin births, on the other hand, can be influenced by a number of factors. These factors include genetics, maternal age, and even ethnicity. Fraternal twins, or dizygotic twins, occur when 2 separate eggs are fertilized by 2 different sperm. This type of twinning is more common and can run in families, particularly on the mother's side. Additionally, women over the age of 30 are more likely to conceive fraternal twins, and certain ethnic groups have higher rates of fraternal twinning. Section 6. Beyond identical and fraternal. A glimpse into rare twinning events. While identical and fraternal twins are the most common types, other, even more rare forms of twinning exist. These unique forms of twinning offer a fascinating glimpse into the complexities of human reproduction and genetics. They challenge our understanding and open new avenues for scientific research. One such example is semi-identical or sesquizygotic twins. These twins are an extraordinary phenomenon that occurs under very specific conditions. These twins develop when 2 sperm cells fertilize a single egg, which then splits. This rare event leads to a unique genetic makeup that is different from both identical and fraternal twins. This results in twins who share some genetic material from the mother, but different genetic material from the father. The genetic diversity in these twins is a subject of great interest to geneticists and medical researchers. Sesquizygotic twins are exceptionally rare, with only a handful of cases confirmed worldwide. Each case provides invaluable insights into human development and the intricate dance of genetics. The study of these twins not only helps us understand the biological processes involved, but also has potential implications for medical science and genetic counseling. Section 7. The puzzle of conjoined twins. Conjoined twins, though incredibly rare, represent another fascinating aspect of twin biology. Conjoined twins arise when the splitting of the zygote in identical twinning is incomplete. The 2 developing embryos remain physically connected, typically at certain parts of the body. The specific point of connection and the organs involved vary greatly between cases, making each instance of conjoined twins unique. Section 8. Debunking common myths about twins. The world of twins is often shrouded in myths and misconceptions. From the moment they are born, twins attract a lot of attention and curiosity. People often wonder about the unique bond they share and the mysteries surrounding their similarities and differences. One persistent myth is that twins skip a generation. This idea has been passed down through families and is often taken as fact. While there is anecdotal evidence that genes influencing twinning can be passed down, there's no scientific basis for the skipping generations claim. Geneticists have studied this extensively and found that the occurrence of twins is more complex and not bound by such simple rules. Another myth suggests that twins have identical fingerprints. This misconception likely arises from the fact that identical twins share the same DNA. While identical twins share very similar DNA, their fingerprints are as unique as those of any two individuals. Fingerprints are influenced by both genetic and environmental factors, making them unique even among identical twins. This uniqueness is crucial in forensic science and personal identification. Section 9. Twin connections, a final thought. The study of twins offers a unique window into human biology. Identical twins in particular provide valuable insights into the interplay of nature and nurture. Their genetic similarities allow researchers to study how environmental factors influence traits, behaviors, and disease susceptibility. As we continue to unravel the complexities of twin biology, we gain a deeper appreciation for the remarkable diversity of life on Earth.